Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an INFINIX Hot 25G and you need to do a hard reset on it and you don't have the pin code, so you can't access the phone. This procedure will bypass that. It will actually delete the pin code, but it will also erase and wipe everything off the phone, all your contacts, apps, photos, etc. And it'll be like a brand new phone. But if you are ready to do that, we can go ahead and start. What you want to do is you want to just from the phone being off, you want to press and hold the volume up and the power button simultaneously until the phone turns on. And then once the phone turns on, it will open in this recovery mode. Now, if it does not give you this screen right away, it might turn on to a no command screen. It might say no command on the screen. You'll just tap again the power and the volume up button to proceed to this recovery screen. Then we're going to use the volume buttons to scroll down to wipe data, factory reset, and hit the power button to select that option. That'll open up this confirmation screen, and we're going to toggle down to factory data reset and hit the power button to confirm. Keeping in mind, once you hit that power button, there's no going back. Everything will be wiped off this phone. Once it does that, you will be able to then select reboot. The phone will reboot, and it will turn back on like it was when it originally came out of the box. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.